T10.5. A 90% confidence interval for the mean mu of a population is computed from a random sample and is found to be 90 plus or minus 30. Which of the following could be the 95% confidence interval based on the same data? All right, so 90 plus or minus 30. Okay, so I know that 90 is the point estimate and 30 is the margin of error. Okay, and this is for 90% confidence. And then the question is, what could be the interval for 95% confidence? Okay. So the thing to remember is that when you increase the confidence, you increase the width of the interval. So a 90% confidence interval, like this dot might be the point estimate, right? And these segments here represent the margin of error, right? Might be that wide, but a 95% confidence interval should be wider, right? More confidence means we're going to capture more values and have basically more confidence that one of the values in that interval is the true value, right? So I'm going to go through these answer choices. I'm going to look for one that would produce something wider than 90 plus or minus 30. So plus or minus 20 would be narrower, plus or minus 30 would be the same width. Okay, plus or minus 39, plus or minus 70. Okay, both of those would be wider. 70 seems like a pretty big number. I mean, we're only increasing the confidence by 5%. I don't think the margin of error would more than double, right? That doesn't seem reasonable. So I'm not going to go with that one. I think C would probably be the best choice, and I didn't even read E. Without knowing the sample size, any of the above answers could be the 95% confidence. That's not true. We couldn't say any of them would be. I can clearly tell you that A and B would not be. Okay. So let's kind of quickly look at table B, right? So would going from 90 to 95% more than double the margin of error? Okay, I don't think so. If we let's just look at this particular row that I was at. So I was looking at 29 degrees of freedom, right? The 90% confidence critical value is 1.699, and the 95% critical value is 2.045. Okay, it's not, the critical value is not doubling in size, so I don't think the margin of error would not double in size here. All right, so I'm happy with my choice, C. I'm gonna lock that in.